all served up. A couple pieces of tomato, cucumber, your Bora and your dry shrimp, a little bit of hot sauce on some white rice. Perfect meal, perfect dinner. And if you had a side of dal there, that would be fantastic. It would be a true Guyanese meal. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. I know you're acquainted with Bora. This is Bora, or in America, or in other parts of the world, they call it the Chinese long bean. The long bean, but I just cut it up. It's a very long green bean. We call it Bora back in Guyana, and so I'm going to be doing this with some dried shrimps, which I rinsed and soaked for a little while. You have here some garlic, some onions, some carrots. We mix it with some carrots, give it a little bit of color. So it's going to be Bora with dry shrimps and scallion and some parsley. And we're going to just saute those and we'll get this going. So let's get some seasonings in my pan here with onions and some garlic. Let me put this back on the fire. Crank it up. I just want this to start sauteing a little bit. Add a little bullion powder, as usual. Little bullion powder. Just some flavor. Once this has started to release its fragrance and flavor, you don't want your garlic to burn either. So you're going to put some scallion in. Also the carrots. The carrots will take a little while to get tender. Now we'll let this go for a minute. Let's add the shrimp. Once we have that shrimp in there, get some hot pepper flakes. Just sprinkle, give it some heat. This dish could be done in like 20 minutes, under 30. Under 30. Add our long beans. We're going to give this a nice toss here. Everything gets mixed in. Then we're going to cover it and let it simmer. I just added a quarter cup of water and cover it, and we're going to let it simmer until the long beans are soft, until the Bora is nice and soft, and we'll be done. Here we go, guys. The Bora took exactly 3 to 4 minutes to get soft. It's nice and soft now. The carrots are soft. What a beautiful dish. This is a good side. You can use it with white rice, with some dal on the side. Oh, Bora and dry shrimp. A nice quick side dish. Once again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip. All served up. Couple pieces of tomato, cucumber, your Bora and your dry shrimp, a little bit of hot sauce on some white rice. Perfect meal, perfect dinner. And if you had a side of dal there, that would be fantastic. It would be a true Guyanese meal. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. And here we are. Those flavors hit you right away. The dry shrimp is up front. The Bora is always a mild flavor. Carrot is still good for the crunch. Awesome. Cheers.